Global Agricultural Solutions, GAS, is a company that provides a wide range of products and services to farmers. GAS sells agricultural machinery, including tractors, planters, harvesters, and other equipment. GAS also installs biogas and biodigester systems. Biogas is a renewable energy source that is produced from the anaerobic digestion of organic matter. Biodigesters are airtight chambers that provide the ideal environment for this process to take place. Biogas can be used to generate electricity, cook food, and heat homes and businesses. Biogas and biodigester systems can be a great way for farmers to reduce their energy costs and environmental impact. GAS can help farmers to choose and install the right system for their needs. I'm glad to learn about Global Agricultural Solution. It is important to support companies that are working to make agriculture more sustainable and profitable. I encourage farmers to visit GAS's website to learn more about their products and services